The shortage of cement has impacted Labour Day activities in Portmore. Following news that Carib Cement had limited supply, the Industry Ministry approved imports, but the shortage is still affecting construction projects. Mayor of Portmore Leon Thomas says the sidewalks was part of rehabilitation plans throughout the Sunshine City for Labour Day activities.
We couldn't get able to do a mile worth of sidewalk because of the lack of cement. And there are a lot of other communities who want cement to do some different projects. But the shortage of cement, that's what put a damp on it. But it is something that we are going to continue. So as soon as we get cement, we'll start the work again.
Meanwhile, the mayor sought to allay fears about a possible traffic gridlock during major road repairs starting tomorrow. Last week, the National Works Agency warned about delays as contractors will begin paving the roadway from Municipal Boulevard to Helsher.
The asphalt of the road won't cause any significant traffic for tomorrow because the asphalt of the road will start sometime maybe about 9-10, and the bulk of the traffic will actually run off by that. So these intersections that is being prepared for asphalt, I don't see any major problem.